John here with Atomic Sales and Services, and today we're going to be plugging the tar on this Tesla Model Y. We love it, it's fun, and we'll hear you guys in the comments. But today we'll plug this tar. It's been leaking air, lost about 12 pounds of air, psi of air last night. So there's obviously something going on with it. And in today's video, I'll be using an impact with a 21mm socket. That's from my wheel nuts, as well this adapter for the particular wheel nut that I have. I'll be using a breaker bar with a 21mm socket on it. My T-handle reamer, this particular one is Minibuilt. My T-handle plugger. Hopefully only one plug will be needed today. A pair of needle nose pliers in case there's something stuck in the tar. I'll be using well, I'm going to use this as the glue for the plug. It'll just make the seal a little better. A lighter to burn the end of the plug, and something to cut off the end of the plug as well. Well, let's go. First, we're going to start by loosening all of our wheel nuts. And you just loosen them before you jack up the car. Don't take too much off of them. And that's why I got the impact, to make it a little faster. Now let's jack up this car. This particular car, you do need a plug to go into the jack point. And when I do this, because I'm on a floor jack, the jack do move and you might slip off your jack point. So because I'm on a concrete floor, I just give it a little wiggle. And that resets your jack so it won't fall off. Now we'll grab our impact. You don't need to use an impact, but it's a little faster. I take out my bolts in the star pattern. I'll put them on the star pattern, so I'll take them off in the star pattern. I don't think these tars will be going on again next season. I believe I found the culprit. Yep. Looks like it's a screw or definitely picked up something here. I think I'll add to the tool list a flat top screwdriver. I don't even know what that is. But now that I got that taken out, the rest of it might fall inside. Oh, it shouldn't be this hard, but today it is. There we go. So now we're just going to go up and down with this a couple of times. Now we'll get our plug ready. Put in our T-handle plugger. I pinched the end on this. Feed that through. There we go. Now we'll take out our reamer and put this plug in. There's a little glue. You can use any glue if you choose. That's a bit good. Now you just pull up on this handle and the plug will release. Cut off our loose ends. And move up onto the rag. Clean up this little bit of glue. We'll let this melt and burn for a few seconds before we take our needle nose pliers and just squat it down. There we go. No, never mind. We're good. Alrighty. Jeez, double check. There we go. Now let's get this one started. With the impact. Put your other ones on in a star formation. So that's this one. Now we'll go back to this side. And we'll come over here. Now my car takes 120 foot-pounds of torque per wheel nut. And I do torque those properly. And then I'll retorque after 40 kilometers or about 30 miles. There we go. Now I need to put a little tension on that tire so I can retorque them. But I won't take all the pressure off my jack. Now I'll torque these to 120. So that's, my wrench is turned up to 120 right now. And you're just going to go until you hear a pop. In one solid action. There we go. So this is number 5. Now I will go over each one again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, that's torqued. Now we'll take our jack down and that is it for today. In the car world anyway. I might be back today with a chainsaw video. Well, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.